Hi there, it's Kathleen here, and first of all I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful day. So my assignment for today was to use a cut file, and the cut file I'm using is this snow globe right here, which is a freebie for today actually, and if it's not uploaded yet it will be very soon, so be on the lookout for that. And I was also asked, or we were also asked to create a layout about our favorite holiday tradition, but to be honest I kind of forgot about that part. But anyway, so yeah, my idea was to use this snow globe to create kind of an actual snow globe on my layout. So I grabbed a transparency, which is like you would use for an overhead projector, for example. It's just from the office supply section. And I'm going to use two of them, one to back the cut file directly, and then I will use some foam, like fun foam, around the globe. You will see it in a second. Fill the globe with this fake snow that I have to my left, and then put the second acetate piece as a backing behind. Oh, and I completely forgot to tell you, but I'm working with the December main kit and the embellishment kit, and they are filled with Hip Kit Club exclusives. Almost everything in the kits this month is exclusive and it's gorgeous. There's so much to choose from, so yeah, I was having a blast putting this together. And I have to apologize right away, the video today is quite short because my camera just died on me in the end and I didn't even notice, but the most important part in my opinion is in the video. So you can see how I made this snow globe, and you could also use sequins to fill yours, for example, and just create a shaker element. You can use fake snow like I have here, or any kind of small embellishments like die cuts, wood veneer pieces, whatever you like. Or of course you could use the snow globe as is, maybe back it with some vellum. I think that would look nice too, and then just put it on your layout directly. So you can see here that I cut up some fun foam, which it's not adhesive, so I have to put liquid adhesive on both sides of the fun foam, which drove me crazy because I just can't do with liquid adhesive. But anyway, so yeah, this is the paper I was talking about. This is the second option. In the beginning I wanted to use the pink one, but I really like the contrast of the white snow globe against this really dark blue background. So this is the paper I'm gonna go with. So now that I have my snow globe prepared, I can fill it with the fake snow. And if you do something like that, make sure that your fun foam border doesn't have any holes in it, or otherwise your fake snow will start to leak and you will have everything in your page protector or your album or all over your floor. So yeah, make sure that doesn't happen. And when you're done with filling this shaker element, just put the second piece of acetate behind. You could also attach your snow globe directly to your pattern paper, but it would be really difficult to center it because you would have to put the paper on the snow globe and not the other way around. So that's why I used a second piece of acetate. As I said, I'm going to stick with this navy blue pattern paper for my background because I really like the contrast. And now I just want to fill the snow globe a little bit more, like fill in the bottom part of it with this little scene of a reindeer and a house and tree with other little elements from the embellishments. For example, this puffy sticker reindeer, or there's also one in the ephemera pack. And then there are some chipboard sticker trees, ephemera trees, and so on. So I'm just trying to find elements that work with this scene. And I will also use some of the exclusive die cuts, the snowflakes, which were included in the embellishment kit, I believe. And in the same die cut package you also get some ornaments, some with gold foil, some without, but all are really pretty. And I have another idea for a layout where I'm going to use all of the, or not all of them, but a lot of the ornaments. Yeah. So in a few seconds my camera died on me, but as I said, I think the most important part is in the video. You saw how I made the snow globe or the shaker element, and now I'm just filling the space around the globe a little bit with some of the die cuts, and I'm filling in this little scene. And off camera I will also add some journaling, but you will see all that in the final images. So this is the finished layout, and there will be some close-ups. So I hope you enjoyed watching, even though it's quite short, but maybe you still got an idea for how you can use your December kits or this cut file. As I said, if it's not uploaded yet, it will be soon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and a very Merry Christmas and then a Happy New Year. So see you again soon. Take care. Bye.